how Alex Hormozi masters affiliate marketing, and how you can copy these 3 secrets for 30% more sales. So, I thought I had affiliate marketing all figured out. I was doing everything the gurus tell you to do, building the niche sites, writing the reviews, dropping my links pretty much anywhere I could. But my conversion rates, completely flat, stagnant. I was getting clicks, sure, but no sales. I felt like I was shouting into a void, putting in all the time and energy for basically pennies. And I was so frustrated and on the verge of quitting, thinking affiliate marketing was just a big game for people with massive audiences and even bigger ad budgets. It wasn't until I started ignoring the popular advice and began testing a few, let's call them controversial tactics, that things really started to click. These were strategies nobody was talking about in their $1,000 courses. But I noticed guys like Alex Hormozi were quietly using similar principles to absolutely dominate their markets. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact moves that boosted my affiliate conversions by a full 30%, and I've got the stories to prove it. These aren't your typical beginner tips. These are the secrets the top 1% of affiliate marketers like Alex Hormozi use that you won't find anywhere else. And you'll want to stick around because secret number 3 is the one that completely transformed my business from a side hustle into a real sustainable income. Let's just get one thing straight. The biggest lie in affiliate marketing is that you just need more traffic, more links, more content. So we hustle, we grind, we follow the playbook. We pick a niche, build a blog, and obsess over SEO. We spend hours trying to rank for keywords, writing ultimate guides and top 10 lists, just like they say. Then we join a dozen affiliate programs and sprinkle links everywhere, just hoping something sticks. Or maybe you're on the social media treadmill, trying to build a following, posting every single day, and throwing money at paid ads to drive traffic. So you're battling rising ad costs and algorithms that seem to absolutely hate affiliate links. And what's the result of all that work? A trickle of traffic, a few clicks here and there, but your conversion rate, the number that actually matters, is probably hovering somewhere around the industry average of about 1%. And if you're doing a massive amount of work just to be average, you're not winning. You're just running on the hamster wheel. The gurus are happy to sell you a new course on how to run faster, but not on how to get off the wheel entirely. The problem is, this old way treats your audience like they're just numbers in a giant spreadsheet. It's a volume game, but the top 1%, they don't play the volume game. They play the value game. They've stopped being a simple billboard for products and have become a trusted advisor. They figured out that it's not about getting 1,000 random clicks. It's about getting 100 clicks from the right people and giving them an experience so helpful and trustworthy that they feel good about buying. And that's how you get a 30% conversion boost. And that's what we're going to do today. Take Alex Hormozi, for instance. He's a master of traffic generation and utilizing affiliate links strategically. Rather than chasing volume, he focuses on delivering immense value first, which naturally drives higher conversions. Speaking of value, he's got a live book event coming up on August 16th that could give you some fresh insights into this exact approach. And if you're interested in learning from someone who's mastered the art of turning traffic into results, you might want to check out the description below for more information. The first secret is to forget the traditional landing page. Instead, you're going to build what I call a frictionless conversion bridge. Most affiliates make the huge mistake of just dumping traffic directly onto a merchant sales page. Others create a generic bonus page that looks like a bad infomercial from the 90s. And both of these create friction. The customer lands, feels disoriented and skeptical, and their finger is already hovering over the back button. A frictionless conversion bridge, however, is a hyper-optimized page you control, and it's designed to do one thing: build confidence and make the next step a no-brainer. And here's how it works. First, your headline has to instantly tell the visitor, yes, you're in the right place, and speak directly to the result they want. No vague promises. And second, it needs to be blazing fast, especially on mobile. With a huge chunk of affiliate traffic, often over 62% coming from mobile devices, you can't afford a slow page. If it takes more than 3 seconds to load, you've lost them. But here's the controversial part. You have to ruthlessly eliminate anything that doesn't lead directly to the conversion. That means no distracting sidebars, no extra menus, no links to your other articles, just a clean, clear path. The heart of this page is social proof and objection handling. Feature real testimonials, user reviews, and trust badges right where people can see them. Don't just tell them the product is great. Show them other people who are loving it. In fact, adding video to your page can increase conversion rates by as much as 49%. Then, tackle their fears head on with a quick FAQ section. What's the refund policy? Is it complicated? Is there a guarantee? By answering these questions before they're even asked, you dismantle their skepticism. Finally, your call to action isn't some wimpy click here. It's a bold, benefit-driven command like unlock your offer or start your free trial. And I tested this with a nutraceutical product I promote. My old method sent traffic to a generic blog review. My conversion rate was a measly 2%. Then I built a simple one-page conversion bridge. It had a sharp headline, a video of me showing off the one key benefit everyone cared about, and a few powerful testimonials, a 5-point FAQ, and a big, bold CTA button. That page jumped to over a 5% conversion rate, more than double, just from cutting out the friction and building trust. Secret number 2 is to stop treating every visitor the same. The gurus say, get a link and share it. The top 1% of affiliates create personalized experiences for different parts of their audience. And trust me, this isn't nearly as complicated as it sounds. Think about it this way. The standard approach is giving everyone the same link to the same offer. The 30% conversion boost approach is creating unique offers for unique situations. Let's say you're reviewing new camera gear. Your YouTube audience could get a special link with a viewer-only 10% discount. But your email list, a much more dedicated audience, might get an even better deal. That 10% discount plus your perfect camera settings PDF as an exclusive bonus. You're tailoring the incentive to the relationship you have with each audience segment. This makes people feel seen and valued, which dramatically increases the chance they'll buy through your link. Some affiliate programs will even generate unique coupon codes for you if you just ask. I heard an incredible story about The Seal, a plant delivery company that focused on building authentic partnerships with unique offers and saw their return on ad spend skyrocket from negative 23% to over 400%. The next level of this is using dynamic content. And this is where AI can be a game changer. Some affiliates are now using simple AI-powered chatbots on their sites to offer personalized recommendations in real time. There are reports of these tools leading to conversion lifts as high as 40% in some cases. A visitor comes from your blog post on budget video lighting, and a chatbot pops up saying, hey, looking for the best lighting under $100? I can point you to the right one. It's a guided personal experience. You don't need to be a tech wizard to start. Just begin by creating a slightly different offer for your main traffic channels. One for YouTube, one for your email list, one for your blog, and track the results. You'll be amazed at how a little bit of personalization can lead to a huge jump in your earnings. By the way, if you're finding these strategies useful and you want a dead simple way to implement them, I put together my 30% conversion boost checklist. It walks you through setting up a frictionless conversion bridge and creating personalized offers step by step. It's completely free, so let me know if you want one by writing checklist in the comments. It's the exact checklist I use, and it's a great way to make sure you don't miss any of the crucial steps. All right. This is the most important secret of them all. This is what separates the affiliates who make a little money for a few months from those who build 6- and 7-figure businesses. You have to stop thinking of yourself as just an affiliate marketer. Start thinking of yourself as a business owner whose main product is trust. The old way is to be a digital billboard. You find a product, run ads or do some SEO, send traffic and hope for a commission. The problem, your entire business is built on rented land. If Google's algorithm changes or Facebook bans your ad account, your income can vanish overnight. And the new way, the asset way, is to build your own platform that you control. I'm talking about your email list and your brand. This is exactly what Alex Hormozi preaches. Own your audience, control the relationship. And from now on, every piece of content you create, every video you shoot, every social media post you make should have one primary goal: get people onto your email list. Why? Because your email list is an asset you own. No one can take it away from you. It's a direct line of communication with your most loyal followers, the people who actually want to hear from you. This is how you go from chasing one-off sales to building a sustainable, long-term business. A great example is how top affiliates promote a brand like Grammarly. They don't just scream, "Buy Grammarly." They create helpful content about how to become a better writer, and then naturally integrate the recommendation with a call to action to join their newsletter for more writing tips. Your whole funnel should be built around this. Your YouTube video provides great value and points to a free resource. To get that free resource, they join your email list. Now, you can keep providing value through email. You build a real relationship, and you can promote multiple affiliate products over time, including products with recurring commissions, which is the key to a stable income. One tech influencer I follow made over $4,600 in just 4 months from a single YouTube video. How? He didn't just review the product. He showed its value, built trust, and used that video to drive people to his own platform where he could capture their email. He built an asset. And when you focus on building your brand and your list, you're no longer just an affiliate. You're a trusted resource, and that is the most valuable position you can possibly hold, just like Alex Hormozi has done in his own businesses. All right, let's bring it all together. Here are the 3 secrets to boosting your affiliate conversions. First, stop sending traffic to generic pages and build a frictionless conversion bridge that's optimized to build confidence and drive action. And second, stop treating all your visitors the same. Use a hyper-personalization engine to create unique offers that make your audience feel special. They'll reward you for it. And third, most importantly, stop being just a billboard and build the asset. Focus every ounce of your effort on building your brand and your email list. That's your ticket off the affiliate marketing hamster wheel for good. The truth is, affiliate marketing isn't about some magic product or a secret traffic source. It's about shifting your entire strategy from a game of volume to a game of value. It's about building trust, not just getting clicks. And if you start implementing these 3 strategies, you won't just see a 30% jump in your conversions. You'll be on your way to building a real, sustainable business that can support you for years to come. And don't forget to grab that free 30% conversion boost checklist from the description below. Listen, every successful affiliate marketer was once a complete beginner just like you. What sets them apart? They stopped consuming endless content and started implementing. So choose one strategy from this video and put it into practice today. If you're done with analysis paralysis and ready to generate real income, check out this related video for your next actionable step. See you on the other side.